This dog is so weird. Hi, thanks for tuning in. It's not what the sound did. That's not what sound it makes when you do that. See, look, it's not doing it now. Hi, I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter or Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. You can also follow Pancake at the handle on your screen right now too. I have a website. It's called ransomnotesneakers.com. All the shoes from this box will actually be up there today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's a new thing I'm doing. So hey, Sole Supremacy Beater Box Sunday. This box is from Sole Supremacy, which is a shop in the Bay Area of California that has a closed membership-only beater box program, but it's still a really cool shop. Check them out. SoleSupremacy.com. This box was $850 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois. Yours guys, for a grand total of $890. These boxes are priced under market, so there's a really, really good opportunity to make some money if you have patience and know how to clean things. But to follow along with Clarence, I'm gonna be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary marketplace. Then we're gonna break it down at the end to show you how much I paid versus how much the box is actually worth. So let's open the box and find out what's inside. This box is from the same week as last Friday's box, and last Friday's box had 5 dead stock shoes in it, so that was pretty cool. Let's see if this one's like that at all. No, it is not. I can already see loose shoes. That's not a bad thing though. Looks like there are 3 loose pairs in here. So let's grab some shoes out. This first one is a size 6 youth, barely worn pair of an Air Jordan 4 royalty colorway. This is an interesting pair. I've gotten a lot of these in the past couple weeks. So we got a full suede upper for the most part, gold accents on the aglets and on the Jumpman on the heel. I mean, it's a typical Jordan 4. This is in pretty decent shape. I mean, you can see not much wear on the bottoms, just a really small size. Pretty decent shoe though, so we can't really complain. 6 youth, Jordan 4 royalty is your first shoe out, no box. Got 2 more like that too. Ooh, I don't know what this is. This is a worn pair of a size 6.5. It's an Adidas NMD. I think it's an uncaged NMD, or I don't know what this is. It's an NMDR1, I think. I don't know the colorway. It doesn't have stripes on the side like most NMDs do. And I'm not an Adidas guy, so I would look like a moron right now. Even more of a moron, and even moron. Anyways, it's a size 6.5, not 6.5 youth. Pretty lightly worn. I mean, not much discoloration or wear on the outsoles, so probably not much money. 6.5 NMDR1. And we got one more loose shoe. This is a size 11. This is actually from the Countdown Pack. This is the Air Jordan 12 from the Countdown Pack, the Taxi colorway. This is a 2008 release, so it does have some years on it. No cracking on the tab, which is good. No paint issues, it looks like. It's just an old shoe, so there's some wear on the bottoms. It needs to be cleaned up. A little bit of creasing throughout, but not much. Pretty decent shape. I think the only retro after this one was like 2013 or 12 or something like that. So a little bit of years on it will definitely affect the value, but still a really, really cool shoe. Size 11, Jordan 12 from the Countdown Pack, Taxi. 3 loose shoes. Looks like there's some more grade school in here. Let's do this one. So this is an Air Jordan 11 Retro BG in a size 5.5 youth. Oh, I didn't know they made grade schools of these. So this is the Win like 82 Jordan 11, right? Yeah, because the other one's like red. Okay, cool. So this is the Win like 82 Air Jordan 11 from like 2 years ago, I think. It's in a size 5.5 youth, so it's a little bit smaller. Yeah, I didn't know they made them in youth sizes. That's pretty cool. Very little wear. I mean, you can see hardly any toe box creasing on the patent leather, which patent leather, you breathe on it and it creases. Very little wear on the bottoms. That's the nice thing about kids' shoes. They don't wear them long because they're constantly growing. So 5.5 youth, decent size. Air Jordan 11, Win like 82. Let's grab this. This is a Nike red box. It's an Air UPTEMPOs in a size 9.5. This is the triple black. I don't think it's the reflective. Maybe it is. UPTEMPO. Very cool shoe. It is an actual size 9.5, so it is the original box. Very, very little wear on the outsole. I believe the laces are reflective. I could be wrong though, but you can just see it's got this classic air on the entire upper. Really low pile suede. Pretty good quality too. These are very lightly worn as well. It's a triple black shoe. Triple black shoes always move, so I don't know what the value is on these. Retail was $160. I'm sure value is probably about $120 to $140, so size 9.5, decent size. UPTEMPO. What's this? Looks like a Vans. So this is a replacement box on a Vans. It's just inside out. Okay, interesting. So this is the Vans Skate High collaboration with Supreme. This is the Skate High in the Blood and Semen colorway. Oh, that's so gross. I'll leave it to Supreme to have some classy collaborations. Don't know much about these. What size is this? It's a size 9, so that's pretty good size too. And they're dead stock, so I can't really complain about those. Y'all know how I feel about Supreme. I like Vans. Don't really like Supreme, but I don't know what the value is on these because I just don't pay attention to Supreme very much. But it is dead stock. It's a size 9. There you go. Vans Skate High collaboration with Supreme. The box is replacement, I believe. Let's grab some Jordan 5 or 6 boxes. There's a lot of shoes in here. This is a size 8, Jordan 5. Aw, dude, what are these called? They're worn. It's an Air Jordan 5. What does the colorway on here say? Poison green. Pro Stars! That's what these are called. These are called Pro Stars. Took me long enough, but it is a size 8. These are not worth much at all. I know that for a fact because it's just a goofy colorway. So very little wear on the outsole, so not bad. These are gonna go cheap because there's just not much value in here. There you go. You can see the interesting colors on the midsole here. No cracking, nothing crazy. So size 8. Probably like 50 to 80 bucks on these. Pro Stars 5s. I don't remember when those released. Pretty recently though. The difference between a $850 and a $700 box is pretty big. Weird. So next up, this is an Air Jordan 6 in a size 10. I actually know these. They have the lace locks too. So these are a worn pair in a size 10. This is the Jordan 6 maroon colorway. So it's got this like kind of sail cream color on the upper, little bit of wear on the bottoms. These are just dirty. I think I probably just need to clean them really well. So there's, very little toe box creasing. It's got the lace locks. These are in solid shape. They just look like they were worn in a big old tar pit. So leather on these is real nice. I will say that. Size 9, 10, size 10, Jordan 6 maroon colorway. These are in pretty good shape aside from being dirty. Got 2 more in here. I'm gonna save the Jordan 1 for last. So we got here a size 9.5 Jordan 6 Retro. This is a worn pair of the Olympic 6s. Probably came from the same seller actually. These are in really good shape too. Not much toe box creasing. It's got the lace locks, got the inserts. You can see the Jumpman is hanging out in the insole. Still hanging, blamming. Decent colorway. I think this is from like 2012 or 13 or something like that. I don't know the value on these. Not gonna lie, probably like 120 to 150. Good size and good shape though too. A little bit of outsole discoloration, not a whole lot, but there you go. Jordan 6 Olympic. Got one more in here. Like I said earlier, it is a Jordan 1. It's a Jordan 1 in a size 6 youth. Ooh. These are lightly worn, good shape, just needs a cleanup. This is the Storm Blue 1s. In a size, what are you doing here, string? In a size 6 youth, very lightly worn, a little bit of creasing all over just because it's a Jordan 1, but what are you gonna do? You can see the outsole is very clean, hardly any drag, very little star loss. Really slick colorway. This colorway kind of made a comeback when the Unions released, so I used to have a pair myself, I sold them, but I don't know, base sizes on these, probably a good get, so I would imagine this is probably worth about 200 to 250 bucks. Storm Blue 1s in a size 6 youth is your final shoe out of this box. This is a really interesting box. I mean, I don't know. Let's go ahead and give it a grade. Now that I see these, there's a lot of shoes in this box. Hey, let's give this box a grade through 3 categories. Condition, sizes, value. Let's do condition first. There are 10 pairs of shoes in this $850 Sole Supremacy beater box. One of them's dead stock and has a replacement box. 3 have no box. Not great. Condition on this box, I gotta kind of give it a C+. Sizes, we have 6 youth, 6.5, 11, 5.5 youth, 9.5, 8, 10, 9.5, 9, and 6. Nothing massive, so that's good. Sizes are actually okay. I'm gonna give it a B+. Value. I think we got ourselves another quantity over quality box. I think there's consistent value throughout, but I don't think there's like any money shoe or anything. Value on this box, I'll take a wild guess and say B+. So with the grade of C+ for condition, the grade of B+ for sizes, and the grade of B+ for value, I think that's what I said. This $850 Sole Supremacy beater box gets a letter grade of B-. Is that good? Yeah. So I guessed and gave this box a grade of B-. I don't really know, but let's look at the numbers.
Boom chicka boom chicka boom chicka boom 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 chicka boom chicka boom chicka boom 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 chicka boom chicka boom chicka boom 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 chicka boom chicka boom chicka boom boom.
This box is like completely different than the box we got on Friday, which is really weird because it came from the same week. At least there's something that'll tie the same week together, but I can't find it in this box. These shoes will be available today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on this website. This website, what website? The one on your screen, silly. It's called ransomnotesneakers.com, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You could find all these shoes for sale unless someone on GOAT got to them first. All the shoes from Friday's box are up there too. You can check it out if you want. If you don't want to, that's cool too. Remember to tune in this Thursday at 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live unboxing of a beater box. Be giving away some information about the 10,000 subscribers beater box giveaway thing I'm doing. So come hang out. We'll chat and open a box together. I appreciate you taking the time. We'll see you tomorrow for haul series number what? 79? Something like that? Remember to take care of each other. See you later.